How to download code from Emergent AI 2025. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get code from Emergent AI in just a few easy steps. First, open the Emergent AI in your browser. On the main page, type your prompt. For example, create a clone of the Netflix website, then press enter or click send. Emergent AI will start generating your project step by step. Just wait for a few seconds while it works its magic. When it's done, tap the code tab at the top. You'll see a VS Code link and password. These let you open and edit your project in the online Visual Studio Code Editor. Next, tap Auto Answer to let the tool automatically fix or improve missing parts of your code until the project is complete. Scroll down to preview your finished website, check the layout, images, and text. When you're happy with it, hit the share button in the top right corner to post it on Twitter, LinkedIn, or copy the project link to share anyone. That's how you get code from Emergent AI. Like and subscribe for more awesome AI tips. Thanks for watching!